Okay, ready? Go. You're apparently nowhere on the screen.
Run stealthy though. Ready? Go. What is that? Ready? What are you doing here, boy?
Trying to stop you to take over the city. Doesn't make any sense. Sorry. Oh, you just broke the...
How did...
Shit, son.
Break, so it looks like...
I'll buy you one when I go to work. Let's just...
It's
Was this really
recording.
useful?
I mean, I just fixed it yesterday.
Give me a second.
Okay, ready? Ready, Tim?
Give me a
We'll
second.
do it again. Pushes you with an invisible force, yeah.
Okay, how about like it breaks the gun and then I'll go flying back.
Yeah,
after.
okay.
So
Ready?
like, I'll be like... Play! Yeah! I'm sorry. You're a tree! No shit, Sherlock. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
And
Okay, thanks.
I'm like, yes, thank you for clarifying that.
Thank you for clarifying. You are Sherlock Holmes now. Officially. You are a genius. Okay, I'm actually so sorry. Like,
No, it's okay, I'll fix it.
no, you don't need to
No,
fix
no,
it. You're a tree!
What is that? The tree, the tree
The
threw
tree sent the human at me. Oh yes, there is, Wilbert! Ah!
Why? There's the chainsaw. There's the tree. I wonder what happened. Yeah.
I think that was yellow snow. No, I'm joking. Yep, that's it. Let me see that. No. Yeah. Get up.
You're like trying to get it.
Just going up, I'm just gonna... Okay, what do you want me to do?
Get like a close-up on the air.
Oh, I'll be putting my gun on. What? It's all the snow stuff.
Will, what are you doing?
I'm going to shit on your face.
Thanks.
That's very nice.
Not you.
Not you.
Police are after us. Go. Oh shit. Are you ready? Oh.
Stone.
Oh.
Okay.
Go.
It's too hard to climb.
Oh, is
Just
it?
saying. It's too...
William, leave without me. There's no point.
Wait, but I thought it was James. Bang! First, we're going to silently... But... No! We're gonna... But... No. No. But... No! We're going to make an entrance from this right gate. Then what? I don't know! You tell me! I can't take it seriously, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I just feel so stupid right now.
Okay. Good job, you're the best police officer.
Thank you. Ever?
You win the award. You win an award.
I won an award?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ibba-da-bobo.